What do you need to heal from this month, this June? What's your message para it can help you heal within this month, okay? Well, this coming June, I need you to pick one card, one out of the five cards na nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. All right. For those who chose card number one, what you need to heal yourself is go back into the wild. Go back into taking risks. Hindi naman masama na magsusubok ulit tayo or sumugal ulit tayo sa new things. Try to discover new things. Kasi nagiging ano ka na eh, na natatrap ka na dun sa comfort zone mo. Alright. For those who chose card number two, what will allow you to heal is knowing that you are loved. You can see here na parang there's a portrait of a guy, tapos nandito is may nakalagay dito na love. It's because there are people na hindi nyo pinapansin na mahal pala kayo. And you also have to acknowledge them. And know na parang hindi lang yung person na gusto ninyo na mahalin ka, yun lang yung tao sa buong mundo. There are other people, especially people surrounding you, your family, your other friends. And siguro baka may hindi ka lang pinapansin na may ibang suitor ka pala, di ba? Pansinin niyo naman sila. May chance. Baka may chance na na maging mas masaya kayo with them. Right. For those who chose card number three, what you need to hear right now in order for you to heal is, surprisingly, yung rejection na pinagdadaanan ninyo, it has to happen. It's painful, but it has to happen kasi kung hindi siya ganun ka-impactful sa inyo, yung pain, hindi kayo matututo. Hindi kayo makaka-heal. Kasi you will always be in that place na parang, what if? What could have been? Kailangan ninyo i-accept yung rejection. Kailangan i-accept ninyo na parang, kaya tinanggal ng universe yung, kung ano man yung wish ninyo sa inyo. It's because you have to stop already. You're not growing anymore. And that rejection will heal you. Alright? For those who chose card number three, self-love, memorize natin to, okay? How you need to heal this June is through self-love, through adoring yourself, through making something or make yourself turn yourself into someone that can be adored, that can be loved. Baka marami kasi tayong issues sa sarili natin. And hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng acceptance. That's why ang hirap mahalin ng tao na hindi nila mahal yung sarili nila. Alright? So it's more of self-love for you to heal. And lastly, for those who chose card number five, for you to heal, you have to understand that life is more of patterns. May mga cycles tayo, pinagdadaanan natin yan. There are times na nasa taas tayo, may times na nasa baba tayo. But it's a pattern. There are seasons. 'Di ba? Kung hindi man nangyayari yung gusto natin mangyari at this point, or if you're dealing with someone na hindi parang pabor sa'yo at this moment, try to remember na parang yung time naman na they were okay with you. It just means that parang the cycle has to go on. And you will need that patience. Tayo, humans, we have patterns. And these cycles help us understand kung paano magre-respond sa atin yung ibang tao. Be patient with your person. They're just in that cycle na parang malayo sila sa inyo. Diba? Parang mga planets and the sun, diba? Ngayon, paulan na ulit, diba? Before, a few weeks ago, sobrang init. It's just the cycle of life. It's the cycle of the earth. Same as with people. They go through cycles, and we have to understand and be patient with them. Okay? So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.